finally found someone to clear the bushes in my farm. I've been having that issue with labor for a while now, and yeah, thank God, all cleared. And it is very important to have this done in preparation for the dry season. I think the rain is coming to an end already. It rained last night, but I know the rain is coming to an end already. This is November. Very soon it's gonna stop raining. Let's just do a quick tour of what the farm looks like now. I think I have some. Okay, this one is fruiting already. I have some other. So I actually planted this section of the farm this year, March, and now I have some of them fruiting already. That's quite good. I have this empty space. What could I do with this place? What could I do with this space? What could I do with this space? And yeah, this brings us to another section of the farm. Yeah, I have a lot of bananas. I have a lot of bananas here. Look, this one is about almost mature. Almost. That's very few weeks left. So yeah, this is fruit already. This variety of plantain doesn't grow tall, neither does it produce very big and large numbers of fruit. I have this one here, and that is another one there. This one is almost, well, this is almost mature. You can see this one has very few weeks, almost mature. Well, like, I guess it is ready for harvest this way. It feels sturdy already. Well, I'm still gonna leave this here for probably 2 weeks, and yeah. I have this one too. So I think this is all I can cover for now.